How to change the default home launcher for Android phones with Android 15. So this is going to work for like your Pixel phone. If you have a nothing phone with Android 15, this guide should help. When you're ready to do this, you'll want to go ahead and use the quick access and pull it down 2 times until you see this setting toggle right here. And as you tap on that, you'll be taken to this section here. Then for most Android phones, you want to look for the section that says apps. So look for apps. It might be to the top, middle section, or maybe to the bottom section. Once you go into the apps section, for most Android phones, you will see a section that's called default apps right here. This is Android 15 software. So you'll see it here. And once you enter here, you'll see a collection of all the default apps. You'll look for either Home Launcher or System Launcher. And in this case, for the Pixel phone, it's called the Home app. Now, once you tap here, you will see a selection of launchers. Now, you can get more than just one launcher from the Play Store. So if you're signed into your Play Store, you can find compatible launchers and install them. Once they're compatible and fully installed onto your device, you can switch to them. And for most of them, when you switch to it, they're going to give you these prompts, get started, set it up, and all that. And of course, you can always go back to the previous launcher used and use that one instead. So if this guide helped, like and sub.